Welcome back to Here to Speak, where you improve your English by listening. In this story, John is preparing for an important job interview, but things don't go exactly as planned. John takes the wrong bus. It's a bright Monday morning. John wakes up early. He has a job interview at 10 a.m. He takes a shower, eats a quick breakfast, and puts on his cleanest shirt, white with light blue stripes. He checks his notes, company name, interviewer's name, directions, and questions he wants to ask. He thinks, "Okay, I'm ready." John opens his phone and checks the transit app. He sees that bus 15 goes directly downtown. Perfect. He even adds an alert so he knows when it arrives. At 8:35 a.m., John leaves his apartment. The sun is shining and the air feels fresh. He reaches the bus stop in 5 minutes. He looks at his watch, still plenty of time. As he waits, he practices interview answers quietly to himself. What are your strengths? I'm organized and a good communicator. Then a bus arrives. It says, bus 51, not 15. He hesitates. 51, 15. Maybe it's the same route. Maybe the sign is wrong. He gets on. There are only a few people on the bus. He sits near the back, pulls out his phone, and goes over his notes again. 20 minutes later, something feels strange. Outside the window, trees, houses, small stores, no tall buildings, no traffic, no signs of downtown. He walks up to the driver. "Excuse me, is this bus going downtown?" The driver glances back and says, "Nope. This is bus 51. You're headed away from downtown." John's stomach sinks. "Oh no, I think I got confused." The driver says, "Happens all the time. You need to get off at the next stop, cross the street, and catch bus 15 heading downtown." John thanks the driver and quickly gets off at the next stop. He looks around. It's a quiet neighborhood. Across the street, he sees a sign. Bus stop, Route 15 downtown. Relieved, he walks over, but now he's nervous. Time is running out. A woman is walking her dog nearby. John approaches and asks, "Hi, I need to get to downtown." "Is this the right stop for bus 15? She replies kindly, "Yes, this is the one. It usually comes around this time." John thanks her and waits, heart beating a little faster. He looks at the time. 9:15 a.m. He still has a chance. It's 9:17 a.m. John waits at the bus stop, repeating directions in his mind. Get off! Cross the street! Wait for bus 15. After a few minutes, he sees it. Bus 15 approaches. He checks the sign carefully. Downtown, Main Street. Yes! This is it. He gets on. The bus is busier, filled with students, workers, and tourists. He finds a seat near the middle and listens. The speakers announce stops. Next stop, Pine Avenue. Next stop, Central Station. John listens closely. He knows he needs to get off at Main Street. He hears a man next to him say, "I'm getting off at Main. It's 3 more stops." John nods. He follows the signs, watches the screen, and counts carefully. Finally, the speaker says, "Next stop, Main Street." John presses the bell and stands up. As the bus slows, he checks his phone. It's 9:46 a.m. He smiles, just enough time to walk to the building. John steps off the bus and walks quickly. He finds the office building, goes to the 3rd floor, and checks in at reception. "Hi, I'm John. I have a 10 o'clock interview." The receptionist says, "Yes, please take a seat. They'll call you soon." John sits, takes a deep breath, and smiles. He made it. Let's review some useful phrases from today's story. Is this bus going downtown? You're on the wrong bus. How can I get to Main Street? Get off at the next stop and cross the street. Is this the right stop for bus 15? You can use these phrases in real-life travel situations. Remember, mistakes happen and it's okay. Like John, ask questions, stay calm, and keep going. Thanks for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This is Here to Speak, where listening leads to confidence.